I ordered 40,000 naira worth of beginner sewing tools on TEMU. Is it worth it or not? Watch this video to find out. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, you're welcome to Sew with Mediva. And if you're a returning subscriber or a returning viewer, thank you for sticking to my channel. So today's video is different from our regular sewing video because we'll be unboxing beginner sewing tools I got off TEMU for 40,000 naira. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys everything I bought and how much they cost. So if this is something you are interested in, make sure to keep watching and make sure you watch till the end so that you don't miss out on this unboxing video. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel if you're yet to subscribe. So guys, the first thing I'll be unboxing is a set of rulers, metric rulers. So let's go ahead to open. Ta-da! This is what we have. Sorry, it's already like torn from the nylon. Let me just go ahead to remove it. So we have this set of rulers. It's a set of a set of 6 rulers. So if you are a lover of pattern drafting, then this is for you. So in another video, maybe in a short video, I'm going to like show you guys what each of these rulers are for, because I don't want this video to be too long. We have about 9 to 10 items that we are going to unbox today. So, and the good part about this ruler is that it is flexible. It's just like silicone. You can use anyhow you want. It cannot break. See, this is what it is. So we have 5 pieces of it, and I got this set of rulers for 10,209 naira, which is very okay for a set of 5 rulers. So I'm going to set them aside now. I will move on to the next item. So the next item on our list is this 42 pieces plastic sewing thread organizer. Let me bring it out of this around. So this is what it looks like. So you just go ahead to arrange each of your threads into this. Let me see if I have any thread here so I can show you guys. So this is what it will look like. Let me just go ahead and put this 2 threads into it. So this is for organizing your thread. So imagine having different colors of threads organized in this and just close up and store in your drawer or your tabletop. Imagine how neat that is going to be for you. So I got this one for 7,338 naira. So I'm going to leave the link of all these items in the description box. In case you want to get any one of it, you can just click the link, and this is what it looks like. So let's go over to the next item. Oh wow, this is my favorite, the Rotary cutting tool. So this tool is used to cut fabrics. It's a faster way of cutting, a more modernized way of cutting instead of using your scissors. So this particular tool, it came with 5 extra blades, as you can see. So like I said in another video, I'm going to show you guys how to like use these tools and put them into practice. And I got this one for 9,842 naira only, and it has 5 extra blades, as you can see. So I'll set it aside now so we can move to the next item I have here, which is item number 4. Is an all-in-one complete sewing kit. So this is a sewing kit that I feel every fashion designer or every tailor should own. So it comes like this. It's in a box. Then when you open it up, you find the most basic things you need for sewing, which includes different colors of thread. You have your tape rule, you have scissors, you have pins, you have needles, which I believe, and it is very handy, as you can see. So this one can go into your handbag, just everywhere you go. This is a very handy tool, and it is like one of my favorite things here. So I got this one for 7,008 naira. I hope you guys understand. Just 7,000 naira. Let's just say 7,000 naira. And this is all that came with it. Maybe in another video I might show you guys more details of what we have here. So I'll set this one aside. So for item number 5, I have this ironing mat. So you know, there are some kind of fabrics you are working on and you don't want to like iron directly on it. So this ironing mat is, you're going to place it on your fabric before you iron. This is what it looks like. This is just all, and I think this is one of the cheapest items I got. So I got this for 1,692 naira for the ironing mat. So I'm going to set it aside. So for item number 6, I got this set of seam rippers. So this is a very handy tool for every beginner as well. It is used for, so this is used for removing unwanted stitches. Instead of using blade, you can use this to remove unwanted stitches, to make buttonholes and so on. It just has a lot for cutting thread while you are sewing instead of using your scissors. So this is a set of seam rippers, and I got this for 2,325 naira. Seam rippers. So I'll set it aside. The next one on my list is this beautiful lanyard tape rule. Let me open it for you guys to see. So this is not the regular tape rule. If you want to be a tailor with tees, these are the kind of tape rules that you should use. So it has a lanyard that goes around your neck. You can just wear it around your neck. Another beautiful thing about it is that it is 120 inches long. You know, the regular tape rule that we have here is about 60 inches, but this particular one is 120 inches. So just like if you pull everything out, it is 120 inches, and it is so cute and easy to use. Just goes around your neck, and I got this for 8,282 naira. It's a bit pricey, but I think I really love it and I love the quality. Thank you, TEMU. So the next item on our list is this cute pin cushion holder. So I believe every fashion designer, whether a beginner or not, you should own something like this. Although I've seen a lot of DIYs that showed people how to make this. Let me go ahead to open it for you guys to see. And this is what we have. So this just goes around into your hand this way. Imagine those busy days when you are sewing and you have to be picking your pins on the floor and picking everything. So this is a pin cushion holder where you just like insert your pin, so that while you are sewing, you have the ease to just take out your pin and do whatever you want to do. So this is a very handy tool that every beginner should get. I got this pin cushion holder for 1,835 naira only, which is very fair, and the quality is very good. So this is what we have. So before I set this aside, I also got a set of pins. So the next item is this 100 pieces multicolored pearl pins. They are so cute. So I'm also going to show you guys how the pin cushion holder works with the pin. So there's 100 pieces here, and it is so colorful. So let's go ahead to open it up. So this is what we have. These are the pins. This is what it looks like. So I'm going to just go ahead and show you guys. So this is how the pins will sit on the cushion holder. So when sewing, things like this gives you ease. Like you don't have to be picking pins here and there. You just take one and do your work. So I believe every beginner should buy something like this. So I will just set the two aside. I got a set of pins for 1,159 naira, 100 pieces, which is a very fair price. And I think we are unboxing the final pin. So this one is for my content creator girlies. This is a magnetic phone holder. So if you're a kind of person that when you are sewing, you like to watch movies, or you want to film yourself while sewing, I'm just going to show this on my sewing machine. So this is a magnetic phone holder. This particular one goes into this place. I just haven't had time to fix it. So the ball has gone into it. So this is what we have. So you can rotate it anyhow you want to be. Then you just go ahead to, I believe all sewing machines have this metal stuff. So you go ahead to pin it, and it has a very firm grip. You can see that it's flexible, and you can decide to just put your phone on it. Maybe you want to watch a movie or something. Maybe I'll still show a video demonstrating how to use this, because I don't want this to be too long. And I got this phone holder for 7,663 naira, which is very okay considering the amount of work that it can do for you as a content creator or just for fun. So guys, that is all we'll be unboxing today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So I'm going to leave the link of all the items I showed you guys in the description box. So if there's anyone you're interested in, just go ahead to follow the link and shop this product. And so guys, in another video, maybe in short forms, I'm going to show you guys how to use few of these tools and how to put them into practice, especially the rulers, the rotary cutter, and so on. Guys, I would like you to leave in the comment section if you think these items were worth it, and if you think the prices were okay. For my own review, all the items I got, their quality was very okay. Like for the prices, it was very okay. So guys, let me know in the comment section what you think about these items and if you would be purchasing them. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.